the ATOS 5 Airfoil. It's a high-precision, metrology-grade 3D scanner. So let's get started. ATOS stands for Advanced Topometric Optical Sensor, and the 5 series has all of the latest features. Customers benefit because of its extremely bright blue light source, its ruggedized housing, and the interchangeable measuring volumes. It's accurate, mobile, user-friendly, and offers strong performance in both the manual and automated configurations. It's been engineered to easily be configured with an industrial camera stand, with rotary stages, or fully automated with robotics for both nearline or inline production applications. And automation can be further enhanced with a plus box for integrated photogrammetry. The ATOS 5 Airfoil and the rest of the ATOS 5 family of sensors, it is the most industrial metrology solution on the market for a wide variety of digitizing and inspection applications. The main features that set this technology apart from other products on the market are the industrial housing with protected optics, a self-monitoring system that automatically detects sensor calibration and unwanted movement, the high-tech cameras that capture accurate 3D images even in challenging industrial conditions, toolless interchangeable measuring volumes, fast data processing with high-speed fiber optic cable, the blue light equalizer that provides millions of coordinate measuring points per scan and allow you to capture the most accurate data on dark and shiny surfaces. Let's dive a little bit into how this technology works. In simplest terms, based on the principles of triangulation, the sensor projects a powerful blue LED fringe pattern across the part surface, and the two high-quality cameras capture the surface geometry as the ATOS signature pattern shifts. In as fast as 0.2 of a second, it calculates millions of precise XYZ data points that are processed into a dense point cloud for a detailed digital twin of the object. Accuracy depends on your part and measuring volume used, but the ATOS 5 Airfoil is capable of achieving single-digit micron accuracy with its smaller measuring volumes. It is good practice to benchmark your part and your environment with any technology you are researching. So the ATOS 5 Airfoil, it comes with a special feature called triple scan functionality, which captures data from the left, right, and both cameras. This method allows the sensor to capture complex shapes, intricate features, and freeform surfaces, resulting in clean, crisp, accurate data. Our most popular technology, the ATOS 5, comes in 12 million points per scan with the measuring volumes ranging from 100 millimeters to 400 millimeters, and every measuring volume comes with the NIST traceable VDI certification. The ATOS 5 Airfoil is engineered specifically to digitize air or ground-based power generation engine components. Notice the camera spacing. The lenses, they're closer together, allows us to capture a deeper field of view. Customers are using this solution for measuring turbine blades, nozzle guide vanes, and compressor parts like bliss, stators, fan blades, and so on. Total measurement time, though, will depend on the size of your part. But just to give you an idea, for a turbine blade approximately 10 inches in height, that would take roughly 8 minutes to manually digitize. But when using an automated configuration, that same part only takes about 2 to 3 minutes. And remember, with the ATOS technology, we're capturing millions of precise XYZ points per scan, instead of having a limited number of pre-programmed points. And now that you've gotten to know the ATOS 5 Airfoil, the accurate 3D scanner, be sure to connect with our team for any questions or to set up a live demo. You can contact us at the live chat at capture3d.com or email us at info@capture3d.com. And thanks for watching.